back then I was just not understanding what I wanted to look like. I was just trying to change different looks. I was trying to enhance myself. And I think I didn't know where I wanted to be and who I wanted to look like. I suppose growing up, I was, ginger, I was a little bit more chubbier, and people used to pick on me, and I just wanted to change my appearance. I just wanted to get away from all those kind of bad names. So I started getting into fillers, because lip fillers back years ago was a really big thing. The Jenners were doing it, so I think that was an addiction, so we all started doing the trend. So yeah, I started doing that, and it just kind of went on from there. And then I think I didn't realise when enough was enough, so I continued to just enhance my appearance every time I walked into a clinic.
And did you ever, during that period, look at yourself and go, I've gone too far? Or did you always think, no?
No, never.
You never thought,
That was the strange thing. No, I never thought it. My friends would say it to me, and my mum.
What would they say? What would your mum say to you?
Lay off the filler. Do you know what I mean?
And what were you getting done?
Lips, cheeks, chin, jawline, PDO threads. Yeah, so I had a few bit of stuff done to myself to alter it. So, but I noticed looking back at it, I was very kind of swollen looking. But back then, I was just not understanding what I wanted to look like. I was just trying to change different looks. I was trying to enhance myself. And I think I didn't know where I wanted to be and who I wanted to look like. But now I'm starting to feel a little bit better, looking like myself now.
And how's Alan now?
Alan is in a very good place now, really. I think I've toned it down a little bit now. I think I'm not as out there and looking for attention, probably in the wrong reasons or whatever. I feel really good now. I think doing this show, and it sounds very cliche and very cheesy, but it did change my perception of life now, and it changed me as a person 100%, because I just feel much more confident in myself. Don't get me wrong, I have my days like everybody else where, you don't feel good, but yeah, I'm feeling much better in myself now.